Everything you know about dinosaurs is a lie. This terrifying, scaly T-Rex, completely fake. For decades, we believed we knew what these predators looked like. But the artists made a massive, lazy mistake. They used shrink wrapping, drawing skin tight over bones. No fat, no muscle. Imagine doing that to a modern hippo. It becomes a bone-thin alien nightmare. So, what did we actually do to the dinosaurs? Recent fossil drops reveal the shocking truth. These weren't giant, slow lizards. Species like Eutyrannus were covered in thick feathers. You're not looking at a reptile. You're looking at a 10-ton, flesh-eating bird. The asteroid didn't wipe them out. It taught them to fly. Which T-Rex would scare you more? The giant lizard or the 10-ton bird?